Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a Canva affiliate program tutorial. We are going to discuss how to make money with Canva as an affiliate marketer, and it will be a step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to sign up as a Canva affiliate, get your custom affiliate links, and build affiliate marketing campaigns. If done properly, you can expect to start earning commissions promoting Canva Pro subscriptions in absolutely no time. And the very first step to do that is to visit Canva's affiliate program sign up page at canva.com/affiliates. This page provides a simple guide process for becoming a certified Canva Pro affiliate, and the application is very quick and easy, anybody can apply. Also, I have to mention that Canva has a high acceptance rate for new affiliates. Once registered, you can immediately start earning the commissions. Some key details about Canva's affiliate program in specific is that you can earn up to $36 for each new Canva Pro subscriber referred. It has an amazing user-friendly affiliate dashboard to track clicks, commissions, and all of the analytics that you need to track. You'll also have access to Canva's library of ad templates, images, and marketing materials. And lastly, you have a helpful community of fellow affiliates in the Canva Partner Facebook group that we were going to discuss later on in this video. So to become an affiliate, simply click the Join Now button. This will bring you to impact.com, which handles Canva's affiliate program. You will simply be prompted to provide some basic personal information like your name, email, and create a password for your Impact account. For account display name, choose your own unique name and then input your website or social media profiles. And if you don't have an active website yet, there is no problem with that. You can simply add your TikTok account, YouTube channel, or any other social media URLs. And under partner type, select social media influencer and then add all the links to your active social accounts. Once you're done with the sign up and the information providing process, that's really it. You now have a Canva affiliate account. Inside your account, you can go to the profile section and then input your payment details so that you can get paid out directly once you've started driving commissions. Now it's time to start generating our custom Canva affiliate link. Through this special link, you will be allowed to earn commissions from your referral traffic. So inside your Canva affiliate dashboard, click Create Affiliate Link to get started. You can choose to link to general Canva homepage or any specific Canva page. For example, you can add a link to a Canva Instagram post template. And this landing page option means visitors will land on the exact Canva template, product page, or the tool that you select. If you want to view all of the affiliate links that you've made so far, simply click on View All Links. Now you might be wondering, how much does Canva pay per affiliate referral? For the monthly Canva Pro subscriptions, you earn 80% of the $13 fee. That's around $11 per sign up. And if you had an annual subscription, which is valued at $120, you will get 25% off for $36 per new referral. And although the commissions can be a little bit smaller in this program, they do add up fast with the affiliate marketing strategies that we will cover next. On the third step, we want to find successful Canva campaigns to model. Since now we're signed up as an affiliate with our custom Canva affiliate links, it's time to drive traffic and sales. And the easiest way is that we can replicate what's already working for the top Canva affiliates. You can easily search TikTok for Canva to analyze the affiliate marketing strategies put into action. You can see accounts just like these which make professional Canva TikTok videos, and they have a ton of followers and likes. You can post simple Canva tutorials or the life hack kind of videos, and the results are absolutely impressive. Some videos have over 1 million views, and the Canva tutorial gets a lot of views and likes. If you notice on these accounts, most of them have a bit.ly link that leads to Canva Pro signups via their own affiliate links. And since each subscriber earns between $22 to $36 in commissions, as we explained before, the short video drives a ton of traffic. And the best part about this is that you don't really have to show your face in these tutorial kind of clips. And this is live proof that this strategy works for regular TikTok users as well, not just huge accounts. You just need to make some videos to drive traffic that provide actual value to people, and then people will surely click your links and buy subscriptions. Instagram Reels are another massively growing platform, so you can also jump on that trend and start early by recycling your TikTok clips. Next up, you have SEO on YouTube, which represents an untapped opportunity for Canva affiliates. When viewers search for something like how to do something with Canva, they will be redirected to channels like these which make Canva tutorials, and you will find the affiliate links in the video descriptions. Each Canva Pro signup earns them commissions on top of the money and the revenue that the YouTube videos already generate. So rank your own tutorial videos for Canva keywords to get affiliate sales from search traffic. You can also promote Canva templates as an affiliate, find popular templates like chore charts and then link to them. And finally, we want to talk about the Canva Partner Facebook group. As a new Canva affiliate, be sure to join the Canva Partner Facebook group and connect with fellow affiliates. This group provides an invaluable space to get your questions answered by experienced Canva affiliate marketers. You can also pay close attention to what top affiliates are doing to drive conversions and then boost their commissions. There is nothing wrong with implementing their tips and strategies into your own Canva affiliate campaigns. Groups and communities like these can fast track your success, so use them to your advantage. You can post questions about optimizing your video tutorials, landing pages, and affiliate links to get the expert feedback. In addition, keep an eye out for special promotions, assets, and tools provided by Canva in this group. The key is to take advantage of everything offered here. And that covers the complete step-by-step blueprint for making money with Canva as an affiliate marketer. Thank you for watching. I really hope that this video tutorial provided tremendous value in everything you need to get started. If you found it helpful or enjoyable to watch, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we make.